How to change the key fob battery on Audi A3, A6, C8, A8, Q5, Q7 IN5 Easy steps. 1. Remove the blade from the key fob by pressing the button on the back of the case. 2. Insert a flat blade screwdriver inside the case at a slight angle to open the key case cover. Audi A6 C8 2019 uses a 3-volt CR2032 battery for the key fob, which you can find it below in the video description. 3. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the old battery. Replace the battery within 1 minute of removing it from the case, otherwise you may need to resync the key. 4. Install the new battery by inserting it in the same direction as the old one. Make sure the battery is firmly in the holder. 5. Put the cover back on the housing and put the blade back in the key. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.